Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Chest congestion is no fun. It can make breathing difficult, trigger coughing, and just make you feel lousy overall. Before reaching for medication, try some natural remedies that can help clear up chest congestion fast. In today's video, I'll be sharing 5 of my top natural remedies for chest congestion that you can do right at home. These remedies will help thin out mucus, soothe inflammation, and get you breathing easier again. Let's dive right in. 1. Drink hot fluids. One of the easiest things you can do is sip on hot fluids like tea, broth, or just plain warm water. 1. The heat from the fluids helps loosen mucus so it's not sticking in your chest. 1. Hot liquids also provide moisture to soothe any coughs or irritation. 1. For extra relief, add honey, lemon, and ginger, all are natural decongestants. 1. Sip your hot fluids slowly and steadily throughout the day. 1. An extra tip, go caffeine-free, as caffeine can dry out your system. 2. Use a humidifier. Running a humidifier adds moisture back into the air, which helps loosen up congestion so you can breathe and cough it out more easily. 2. Make sure to keep your humidifier clean to prevent spreading germs. 2. Aim to run it for a few hours per day until congestion clears. 2. Place it by your bed when sleeping. 2. The optimal humidity level is around 40 to 50%. 2. Monitor the humidity gauge and adjust as needed. 3. Try saline rinses. Saline nasal rinses like neti pots are a safe way to flush out excess mucus. 3. Use a premixed sterile saline packet, or make your own salt water solution with 1 cup filtered water, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. 3. Pour the solution into your neti pot or nasal irrigation bottle. 3. Tilt your head over the sink, place the spout in one nostril, and gently rinse. 3. Repeat on the other side. 3. This washes away mucus so you can breathe easier. 4. Inhale steam. Inhaling steam thins out mucus in the airways, so it's less sticky and easier to expel. 4. Boil a pot of water, remove from heat, and place on a trivet. 4. Drape a towel over your head to trap the steam. 4. Carefully inhale the vapor for 5 to 10 minutes at a time. 4. The warmth loosens congestion so you can cough it up. 4. Add a few drops of menthol or eucalyptus oil to amplify the effects. 5. Stay hydrated. Getting enough fluids keeps mucus thin and easy to clear from the chest. 5. Aim for at least 8 glasses of non-caffeinated fluids per day. 5. Water is best, but you can also drink herbal tea, broth, and diluted fruit juices. 5. Avoid dairy products, which can thicken mucus and make congestion worse. 5. Drinking plenty of fluids also prevents dehydration from fever, coughing, or nose blowing. Give a few of these natural remedies a try the next time chest congestion has you down. They use simple ingredients you likely have at home already to provide safe, effective relief. Let me know in the comments if you have a go-to natural remedy for chest congestion I should try. And don't forget to see your doctor if symptoms linger or get worse. Thanks for watching.